Looking for a travel hair dryer that packs real power without weighing you down? The Conair 1600-watt compact folding handle hair dryer delivers just that. Whether you're jetting off for business or vacation, this lightweight dryer fits neatly in your suitcase or carry-on, thanks to its clever folding handle and compact design. Weighing only 1 pound, it's the perfect blend of portability and performance. What sets this dryer apart is how it balances convenience with styling power. With 1600 watts, it dries hair quickly and efficiently across all hair types. You get 2 heat and speed settings to customize your drying experience without fussing over complicated controls. Plus, its dual voltage feature means you can confidently plug in anywhere around the world, no bulky adapters needed. That's travel freedom you can count on. I've tested this dryer on multiple trips, and it consistently delivers. It's simple, no frills, but effective. The folding handle saves space in my luggage, and the 5-foot cord gives enough reach without tangling. It's not loaded with extra temperature settings, but that's exactly what I want when I'm on the move. Reliable performance without overcomplication. If you value a lightweight, compact dryer that works well every time, this is worth a look. Conair's reputation in hair care speaks volumes. Since 1959, they've crafted innovative tools that combine style, function, and durability. This compact dryer fits right into that legacy, offering a sleek, ergonomic design that feels comfortable in your hand and looks great on your vanity or travel bag. You get a trusted brand with proven quality and thoughtful features designed for real life. If you're ready to simplify your travel routine without sacrificing styling power, the Conair 1600-watt compact folding handle hairdryer is a smart choice. It's easy to pack, easy to use, and built to perform worldwide. Try it when you're ready to experience hassle-free drying on the go.